Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to study about writing skills. There are different types of writing skills like essay writing, letter writing, report writing, etc. Today we are going to concentrate on essay writing. Let us see what is an essay. An essay is a composition made up of several paragraphs. It is a short piece of writing. It deals with a single idea. A well-written essay usually has a title and a minimum of 3 paragraphs. There are 4 kinds of essay: narrative, descriptive, argumentative and reflective. Now let us see what is narrative essay. In a narrative essay, the writer tells a story about a real-life experience. For example, a visit to a hill station. Next is descriptive essay. A descriptive essay paints a picture with words. A writer might describe a person, place, object or even memory of special significance. For example, my teacher, my school, etc. Next is argumentative essay. It is a type of essay that presents argument about both sides of an issue. For example, advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone. Next is reflective essay. Reflective essay reflects someone's idea on a particular topic, especially on a public issue. It analyzes the past event from present. For example, child labor, dowry system, etc. Now, let us see the basic structure of an essay. An essay is divided into 3 distinct parts. First part is the introduction or the beginning. The purpose of the introduction is to introduce the topic to the reader. The introduction is usually shorter than the following paragraph as it only tells the reader what to expect in the essay. Second part, the body. The body is the middle part of an essay that gives us the detailed information about the topic. It can be divided into several paragraphs depending on the length of the assignment. Third, the conclusion or the end of an essay. It is the most important part of an essay as it summarizes the main arguments or thoughts and demonstrates the importance of your ideas. Children, now I request you to kindly open your English grammar book. Go to page number 50. Here you can see our first writing skill, that is an essay writing, and the topic given to you is myself. Before we begin with the topic, first of all, you people tell me what kind of essay is this? Yes, you're correct. This is a descriptive essay as you're going to describe about yourself. Let's begin with our essay, that is myself. As I told you, first paragraph is an introduction part. Here you will introduce yourself. You will mention your name, age, standard, the name of your school, how many members are there in your family, etc. Here I have given you one sample, but if you want to change, you can change it by yourself. Let's see the first paragraph. My name is Dash. Here you will mention your name. I am dash years old. Here you will mention your age. I am the only child of my parents. Being the only child, I get lots of attention from both of my parents, my grandparents and basically everyone around me. I am the student of class 7. I am studying at the best school in my city. The name of my school is Dash. Here you will mention your school name. I feel happy to be part of this great school with helpful and loving teachers. So this was the first paragraph given by me. As I told you, if you want to change something, you can change by yourself. For example, here I have mentioned that I am the only child of my parents. But if you are not, you can mention your own status. For example, if you are the eldest child, you can mention I am the eldest child of my parents. I have one younger brother and one younger sister. Or if you are the second child, you can mention that I am the second child of my parents. I have one elder brother and one younger sister. Second paragraph is a body of an essay. In this paragraph, you can mention your parents' details like their names, their occupation, what you have learned from your parents, your hobbies and reason behind it, what would you like to do in your free time, etc. Let us see the paragraph formed by me. My father is a dash and my mother is a dash. Here you will mention your parents' occupation. They both love their occupation. The value like hard work, time management, honesty, sincerity with work and dedication to purpose have been ingrained in my nature. I am a keen reader of novels and history books as I have strong interest in Indian history. I love to read books that refer to the rich history and civilization of ancient India. Since childhood, I used to listen to stories from my grandmother and this has a long-lasting effect on me. Here I have used a new word that is ingrained, which means deeply rooted. Now the last paragraph, that is conclusion. Here you can sum up your whole essay. In this paragraph you can mention your aim, what you want to be, how you are going to work hard to achieve your aim, what kind of a person you want to be, etc. Let's see the paragraph. Everybody has an ambition in life. Aim or ambition is the inner aspiration of man. My aim in life is to become a doctor and serve humanity. I will do whatever it takes to be a good doctor and will be sincere to it. As I know, to become a doctor is not a cakewalk as it needs huge and lots of efforts, dedication and hard work for someone. But I will never lose my heart. I hope that one day I will become a doctor. So this is your essay. You can copy down it. Now go to page number 51. You can see you have one homework. The topic is my school. This you have to write by yourself. As you know that there are 3 steps in an essay writing, that is introduction, body and conclusion. So here you can write your school name, where is your school, how many story building is it, what all things are there in your school, what fun you have with your friends in your school, who is your favorite teacher, which is your favorite subject, what you have learned from your school and why you love to go to your school. So children, hope you all have understood how to write an essay. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.